no matter how big and powerful you get, you still have Achilles heels, right? Your business plan becomes your business plan. You know, it becomes the thing that, like, if I know your business plan, then I can participate in your business plan. So I can become a necessary evil to the BlackRock. Or, you know,
maybe they could buy you someday.
Maybe we do the flippy dippy.
Yeah. Oh,
maybe we do the flippy dippy and I make my big move, bro. Look, don't think that these big giants can't fall. They have fallen. Like, all you got to do is go back hundreds of years, man.
Do you sleep well at night? Are you ever nervous? You raised $1 billion.
Every day, bro.
Have you guys crossed $1 billion yet?
Not quite, but we will before the end of the year.
To raise, I mean, I had a big hang up there for years, and I think that was one of my
I worry about everything, bro. I don't show it on camera. They don't know. Everybody thinks I'm all cocky and arrogant. Underneath all that is, like, always worried. First about other people's money.
Because, like, you know, you see these haters and stuff online. They put out videos about you. Grant's going down. Grant's screwed. Grant's going bankrupt. Grant's this.
Yeah.
You know, and
I'm never in those interviews, though.
Well, yeah.
They're clickbaiters, right? So somebody will tell me, "Hey, man, somebody said you stole like $1 billion." I'm like, okay, but was I in that interview? Because I don't remember that interview. No, you weren't in it.
You got to have a ton of people crawling through your books and up your ass. Regulators looking at everything.
I bought a house a year and a half ago in Golden Beach, right up the street here. I bought it in, I think it was May. June 24th, the SEC writes our office. They know everything I do. Like, forget these fucking clickbait dumbasses on YouTube, right? Telling some story from a distance. The SEC knows where if I buy a piece of art, they know it. I bought that house. The SEC sends us a subpoena for every one of my accounts. I told Sherry, I called my CEO and said, just put the SEC on our books. And just tell them to get on all my accounts. I'll make them But my lawyer's like, that's a bad idea. But I said, bro, I got nothing to hide. Like, if you don't steal money, if you take care of people, if you take care of your investor, if you got clean hands, you got clean hands. I'm like, okay, do whatever you want to do. The books don't lie. This is where I started. Real estate you cannot lie around real estate.